This is my $1,300 drone, and this is spectacular Shangrila Lake in northern Pakistan. From the air, it's even more beautiful, right? Look at how happy I was. That is, until this happened. Fuck. The drone battery is dying, and now I'm on the clock. So I quickly took a photo of the camera feed and could see it pointing at this hotel all the way across the lake. So it was probably around here. But it could have been in any of these trees, and at 450 meters away and 50 meters high, good luck with that. But help was on the way. My man Ali Khan here says he's a tree climber, so we're gonna make a probably futile attempt to find the drone. If anyone can find it and climb the tree, it's gonna be my man here, right?
Yes, sir.
I believe you're gonna find it. The drone has no battery left, but we've pinpointed it to around here. This is incredible. Now we have 4 people. Thank you, sir. Shukriya. Now we have another guy who says he saw it. You saw it? Really? You saw it? It's stuck in the tree?
Yeah. I hear a sound.
He's climbed the tree. This is absolute insanity. You see it?
This one, sir.
Where?
This one, sir.
That's the drone. He says he sees it, but I can't see it. We've got the jackets ready to catch it. Oh my God. Careful. I don't think it's there. It would have fallen. You've been shaking it. Holy shit. He's found it. What? Up there?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Oh! Be careful. Oh! No fucking way!
This is a big rescue here.
Where is it?
2% climbing.
Oh, there's 2 people. Bahut Shukriya.
Balti, sir.
Oh my goodness. Look at this guy. Oh my God.
Thank you.
You are amazing.
Thank you.
I mean, we've got cuts. You guys are all getting some money. Okay?
Yes.
You get the most though, because you found it. Give me a hug. What is your name? Shahid. The man. I didn't even ask you. You just started climbing. I cannot believe it, man. People ask me all the time, what's the craziest travel story? This right here, my friends.
Yes.
I will never forget this. This is the most unbelievable thing I've ever seen. I've had some really, really nice people in Pakistan do some really, really nice things, but these guys, thank you guys so much. Pakistan, Zindabad! All right, let's go get some money for you guys. Ali,
Yes,
you're the man!
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy. We found it! Woohoo! Yeah! We have people's blood on the drone. We've got the sap of the trees. Pakistanis never cease to amaze me. This guy right here, Ali, he walked with me for like 2 hours. I said, do you have a stick that you can use because it's 50 meters up? And he said, I don't need a stick. I can climb. And I said, are you crazy? And then he started climbing, and then these guys, actually the guy who found it is not here. So there's 4 guys who climbed. So it's 20,000 total. Take this is 15. 5 for you. 5 for you. Go ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is unbelievable. In all my travels all around the world, I've never had more helpful people, more hospitable people willing to just do crazy things for a foreigner. This is Pakistan. Bahut Shukriya. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Unbelievable. One more time. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. This is the guy who started it all right here. Thank you, guys. Unbelievable. Hey guys, if you're still here, you're gonna love my other videos from 6 incredible weeks in Pakistan. From unique food, to killer festivals, to wacky sports like kabaddi. I have so many interesting stories to tell. You know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the fun. And while you're at it, check out another video right here. Pakistan Zindabad!